Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Shar. She lives in Zone 8B in Arizona. Her question is, I want to plant potatoes in grow bags. What's the best time to do this? So this is a great question, Shar. In your zone where you're going to get really hot summers, I would plant the potatoes right away, February, March, pretty early, and then grow them through the spring. I would be growing an early season potato such as an Irish Cobbler, a Norland, or Yukon Gold. So this way you can get your crop finished in about 90 or 100 days before the heat kicks in. You will know when your potatoes are done because the tops are going to die back. And your harvest for you will be June or July, so you want to get them in so you can get them out. You might have to shade the sides of the bag if the day temperature is soaring above 100 degrees. Then you can try another batch in the fall. They may not make potatoes. If the day length is getting too short, they just may say, no, I'm not going to do it. But it's always worth a try. So go ahead and plant a fall crop, and then you'll know for the future whether you can have a fall crop or not. All right, so good luck with your potatoes. Let me know how it works out for you. So if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed all the way to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything we do with the vegetable plants week after week all season long. We will even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime you want. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or you can click the link below. It'll take you to the sign-up page. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information. And go ahead and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.